Our topic is functions and relations. In this video, we are going to show you different examples and procedures of how to solve these problems. These first examples are represented in form of a graph. The important thing in these problems is to look carefully at the coordinates. When you have the graph, you need to draw a vertical line to see if the line touches 2 or more times, so it can be a relation. And if it doesn't touch, it is a function. In the first example, you can see that it touches 2 times, so it's a relation. In example number 2, we can see that it's a line that never touches again, so it is a function.
Now, we're gonna make two different examples. First of all, you need to make a chart and divide the x and the y, and in each column add the coordinates. To identify if it's a relation or a function, you need to see if two exact numbers repeat in the x column is relation, and if it doesn't repeat, it's function. It doesn't matter if two numbers repeat in the y column, you only need to focus on the x column. So in this example, none of the numbers repeat twice, so it means it is function. Now we're gonna make another example. We need to make the chart and add the coordinates. And a quick note is that the coordinates will be given by the teacher or in the exercise. Now in this example, the -2 repeats twice, so it means that it's relation. If you're not completely sure about it, if it is correct, you can graph the coordinates and make a straight line as Sofia did in the example. So the second exercise is relation and the first one is a function.
An example of relations and functions is a student in a semester at a college. There is a relation between a student and their final grades. The same student can have different grades at different courses, but in a particular class there is a function from the student and their grades. The professor assigns a grade to each student, and each student is assigned one and only one grade. Another example can be temperature. There is a relation between time and temperature, in weather. If you look up at a particular location, temperature is a function of time. At any moment, the thermometer at that location can only read one temperature.